So, we know we've been really behind. Our videos have just gotten so long. We don't love that. Sometimes it's really hard to like trim down our adventures. So we're gonna try a different vlog style.
Yes.
Going forward. And you can let us know after these next few vlogs which one you like better. If you like the long form style or if you like this kind of like, I don't know, mini vlog situation better.
Sweet.
Okay, so let's get into it.
Week 5.
Yeah, week 5.
We returned the rental car in Caen and we went back to Paris for a few days.
Yeah, we went there for 3 days. We rented a cute little Airbnb in the 15th, which we had never stayed there before, so that was fun.
Yeah, it was a cool new area of town.
It was very residential, very quiet. It was really nice. And then we got to see some of our friends from Charlotte who we had like always said we wanted to go on a double date with, but we never made it happen when we lived in Charlotte, but they were in Paris, so we went and saw them, which was so fun. Spent the day just wandering and talking and
did some scootering and
skirt.
Some champagne under the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah,
that was super fun.
Was so fun.
Champagne and pastries.
Mm-hmm. And then after that, we drove to Dijon.
Oh God! That's so down. Dijon.
We picked up a new rental car named Francois. The Fiat.
It was a little Fiat.
That's the reason why we picked Dijon.
The overarching reason why we picked Dijon. Mustard.
So just like champagne comes from champagne, Dijon comes from Dijon. And
who would have thunk?
This guy loves hot sauce. This girl loves mustard. Especially spicy mustard, aka Dijon, or...
Oh my gosh, I'm like obsessed with hot sauce, and she's like, how can you drink so much hot sauce? And then she eats this like spicy mustard. It like, when I eat it, it blows up my entire nostrils, and I'm like, oh my god. And
I don't even need food, I'll just put some on my finger. It's so good.
She loves it.
But yeah, so we really wanted to take a mustard making class, and I just thought it would be so cool, and it was so cool. It ended up being all in French, but
but the guide would like do the whole thing in French and then like come over to us and be like, okay, here's what I said and here's what we did.
She was really sweet, and we met a fun couple. This Frenchman who really loved practicing English, so he talked to us a lot, which was really nice. But we learned that Dijon is not specific to Dijon because they never trademarked the name, but mustard de Bourgogne, mustard of Burgundy mustard is trademarked. Specifically, it can only be made in Burgundy. It was so fun. We had a blast. So the other big thing we did in Dijon, other than just walk around and explore and experience the life there, was drive the Grand Cru.
Yes.
The Grand Cru, Route de Grand Cru, and it is
basically a wine route.
Yeah, because Burgundy wine, like, you know, in France there's all these different wine regions like Bordeaux, Champagne, and Burgundy. So we took Francois, we drove him all the way, and it was incredible. You just like 37 little villages along the route, and these domains, these wineries range from like people's homes to big things like old monastery. There's like big castle-y kinds of domains, and then there's literally like,
people's just small little homes in the villages.
And vineyards like growing in people's yards.
Oh, like there's like a playground and a vineyard right next to it.
Yeah. It was wild. It was so beautiful, and we didn't know this, but the leaves of grapevines, wine vines, they change colors.
Yeah, so we were driving through a beautiful mix of yellow and red and orange.
Oh,
yeah.
It was so gorgeous, just driving through seas of vineyards on either side of the road. So stunning, tasting really yummy wine.
Yeah, where I'm from, I'm used to driving through cornfields. Seas of cornfields. So this was awesome.
It was.
Seas of grapes.
Yeah, it was incredible. And that was pretty much our time in Burgundy, in Dijon. We took it pretty easily. We did a lot of wandering around Dijon locally, All right, so that is the end of the informational section of this vlog, and now we're just gonna show you some B-roll.
And boom.
Roll it.
Roll it. Roll it. That's week 5.
Yeah, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the new vibe. Let us know which one you like better, the OG travel journal situation or this new kind of refresh. Make sure you are following us on Instagram. It's an Irvinture. Check out our website, irvinture.com, for blogs and resources and presets and PDFs and I don't know.
Yeah, we're putting all sorts of resources up there. So. And subscribe to this channel if you like what you're seeing. Also comment and let us know if you're a big mustard fan.
Do you love mustard like me?
Do you love mustard?
Bye.
Peace.